Hey guys, so I wanted to film this really quick video. In one of my recent videos, I told you that I had purchased the Beetles gel collection with a few colors. I think it was 20 colors. They also had the top coat, base coat, and the matte top coat. I love this brand so much that I went on Amazon again. That's where I find these. And I purchased some more colors, including this 6 gel polish set, which is neons. So I was reading about some brands and neons, and some were like very sheer. These are just like any neon. I think it's just something in the consistency of the colors that makes them a little more sheer than other colors. And I guess so they can glow in the dark. They have to be made that way. I don't know, I'm just guessing. I was reading that these have pretty good color payoff. So I wanted to try them out. I love the brand anyway, so I know I'll get use out of them. They come in this very cute packaging. I love their packaging. It's just the pops of color everywhere. I love it. I think they look so cute. At least like the little samples. I haven't opened these. I haven't used them. I haven't seen anything. I also went ahead and when I purchased those, I purchased their gel and top coat. The normal size, not the trial size that they gave me in the kit. I'm gonna open them so you can see one. It's pretty big. I loved it. It's no wipe. Obviously the base gel is wipe, but the top coat is no wipe. And my clients liked it. I'm new to this gel world, as you know, but there was like no issues, very minimal issues with peeling or chipping. So I decided to repurchase them. I also bought another brand and I'll be doing a review on that, but like I always say, I like to use things before I review them so I can give just an honest review and opinion. I want you guys to, like, if you come across my reviews, to know that I'm giving you a perspective of a professional nail tech. I've been doing this for 19 years. And just know that I do use them on myself. All the things that I review, I use them on myself and on my clients so that I can give like a really in-depth, good wear and tear and stuff like that review. So anyway, let's get to this. I actually prepared my sample nails with half clear, half white, so you can see the color payoff on clear versus white coat under, because when we use neons, it's always good to put white under them so that the color payoff can be as true as possible. Ignore my nails. I'm staring at my nails because they're a wreck. I need to do my refill, but I want to do my refill with a few products that I've been wanting to try out to film for you guys. That's why they're like this. Plus, I've been practicing techniques on myself. So yeah, ignore that. Let's start off with 277, which is the neon yellow. I like the consistency of these polishes. This one is pretty thick. Oh my god, I'm gonna be sniffling and this is gonna be horrible. So obviously, yeah, with the white base coat under, it's much better, way better, but it's not like they're super sheer. Maybe with 2 coats we could get away with having the clear under, no base coat. Not sure, but obviously it's gonna give you more of a pop with the white under. Next up we have the neon green. These colors don't have names, they just have numbers. All of them are like that because even the sample ones that I have in my other kit, they just all have numbers. Oh wait, we got a fuzz here. Take that out. So everything sticks to gel. Oh, this one is way less sheer than the other one. I'm pretty sure with this one we could get away with no base coat and 2 layers, 2 coats. I'm trying to apply thin coats as I would do with my clients. Maybe I won't film it, but I'll do 2 coats on them when I'm done. This one we could definitely get away with doing 2 coats on a clear nail or on a nude nail, and you will get the color. Next we have the 279, which is the hot pink. And my other set has like a neon pink, but it's way sheer looking than this one does, coming right out of the bottle. It's more like a jelly polish than a color gel. I love these. I'm pretty sure with 2 coats you don't have to do the white base. I prefer the less coats the better, because I feel like the thicker you lay on the gel, the more risk you have of it chipping or messing up. I don't know if I'm doing something wrong. Like I said, I'm new to this, but I feel it's just like less coats is better. So I love that these neons don't really need the white base, just except for the yellow. Don't really need a white base under to have that color payoff. And when I'm done, I'm gonna put all 6 of these colors in the lamp so you can see how beautiful they look and how bright they are in that UV lamp. Next we have 280. This is the neon orange. I like how the caps have the color. That way you don't have to be searching for colors, opening bottles and stuff to see it. This one is kind of a little more sheer than the other ones, but not as sheer as the yellow. And again, I think 2 coats will do it even if you don't have white underneath. And they glow the same exact way no matter if you have the white or not under it. Next up we have 281, which is the neon purple. This I want to see because I don't know, for me I don't think purple is such a neon color. To get it right, it has to be like the perfect mix between hot pink and royal blue. But this does look kind of neon, yeah. These colors are, I think they have like the perfect payoff just on its own without the white. Oh, I hate that gel sticks to, everything sticks to gel. Here you can definitely see the difference. I think it looks more neon with the white, but let's see with the second coat. Last but not least is 282, which is the neon blue. These make me nervous, the blues, because these can be a little bit sheer. So let's see what Beetles delivered with this blue. Oh, and by the way, the purple is a beautiful color outside of the lamp. In the lamp, it does not glow, and it looks like a very ugly, I don't know, brick red, or I don't know, it's just, it doesn't look good. Yeah, blues are sheer, but this one is not as sheer as other brands that I've tried. So I do like it. Hopefully it'll glow nicely in the lamp. Right, so final thoughts. I absolutely loved all the colors. They look really, really beautiful on their own. They are vibrant. They glow very pretty except for the purple. I'll show you a picture after the video of how they look with the lamp. Or let me just see if I can actually glow on them with the lamp. And there we go. You can see some of them, but I'll definitely take a picture of them inside the lamp so you can see. The green looks so pretty, and the orange is like very bright. Other than the glowing part, which you won't really see unless you're somewhere that has UV lights, the color payoff, clear versus white. Definitely with the yellow, if you want it to look more vibrant, go with the white base so it can look like a true neon yellow, because with the clear base it just doesn't show up as vibrantly. I did put 2 coats on these, by the way. I don't think I said that. And there are some colors that you can definitely get away with not putting anything on them. By the way, they do dry just a little tiny bit tacky, not super tacky. You can definitely do nail art on top of this without wiping. So that's a plus because it saves time. The green, you can barely tell where the white starts. You can get away with doing just the 2 coats of the color without the white base. Same as pink. This is such a pretty color. You can barely notice where the white line begins. Orange, same thing. You can definitely get away with just doing the 2 coats. It saves time not to have to do the white base on the bottom. The purple is so pretty. I loved it. It's a great purple. You can get away with not having to do the white. Blues can be sheer. You can see the difference, but it's a pretty color without the white base under it. Regardless, the consistency of this product, of these colors, is great. All gel colors I love because it's thick enough to where it doesn't run into your cuticles as you're applying the color to the other nails, but it's not so thick that you can't work with it and you have this thick layer on the nail. So that's a plus. I've been learning with these gels, and I've been learning quickly because I bought a few brands just to try them out. And I see that it changes in consistency. So the Beetles one I absolutely love. I think it's perfect for beginners. So you won't have like that the flooding of the cuticle, which can be horrible with gel. Like you just keep cleaning it, and it'll just keep running. It happened to me with the Organics Bloom Gel, but obviously Bloom Gel is for that. You just have to learn like the right amount to apply so that it doesn't flood everywhere. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that. I hope that this helps if you were planning on buying neon gels or trying the Beetles brand. definitely give it a go. I find it on Amazon. I can't seem to find them anywhere else other than like the Beetles website. So it's a pretty inexpensive brand. If you're starting, it's good to start off with something that's not expensive but is good quality, and Beetles does deliver that. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your support. My channel is small still, but it is growing. Didn't think I would have as many followers. I think we're at 1.3 thousand, which is not that much compared to other people, but I mean, I wish I could give it the love that it deserves. In a proper setup to deliver better quality videos, but we'll get there. We'll definitely get there. That is my goal, and I will do it. You'll see. So thank you so much for the few people that do support me and watch my videos all the time. I enjoy your likes. I enjoy your comments. So anyway, stay safe. These are crazy times. Be well wherever you are. Bye.